wondered how to make group payments in SYSPRO? Then this tutorial is for you.
This tutorial will include the following: adding a customer group, configuring intercompany loan accounts for group payments, configuring operator access to all companies for intercompany group payments, cross-referencing currencies, adding a customer group for intercompany group payments.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at accounts receivable group payments configuration in SYSPRO. Let's get started. So let's just say one of our customers, Gardens Are Us, they have informed us that they will be making a single payment from their head office for all orders made from their other branches. So what we are going to now do is create a customer group. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable. Then we're going to go to Setup. And we're going to look for AR Group Customers. I'm just going to maximize my screen. We're going to start by entering our primary customer. Then we're going to tap off. And here we're going to choose our company. As you can see, we have two different companies. So we're going to select Edu1. On customer, we're going to enter one of the branch's customer code. And we're going to then tap off to enter the second one. So we're going to click right under Edu1 there. And again, we're going to select company and we're going to select Edu1 again. And we're going to enter the next customer code. We're going to tap off. Then we're going to click on the save icon. Going to then close the program, and that is how you create a customer group in SYSPRO. Let's say you got a request to configure SYSPRO for intercompany group payments. As part of this configuration, the intercompany loan account must be configured for the second SYSPRO company, which is Edu2 in our case. So we're going to start by going to Setup, and we're going to go to Setup Options. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, there we go. So we're going to minimize that. So we're going to go to General Ledger Integration. Then we're going to go to Receivables Ledger Codes. And on Intercompany Payments Interface, we're going to click on the hyperlink Maintain. Okay, and then we're just going to make this bigger. As you can see, it's already added. So you would choose the company here, right? And then after you choose the company, you would then enter your ledger code. So the ledger code is already entered. And then after that, you will click on the save icon to save the changes that you have made. Then you close the program. And that is how you configure intercompany loan accounts for group payments. We're going to start by going to Setup. Then we're going to go to Operators. And we're just going to maximize our screen here. And I'm going to click on Control F to search for a certain operator. Then I'm going to make sure that operator is highlighted. Then I'm going to click on the change icon. I'm going to maximize the screen, the operator maintenance screen. And I'm going to click on security. I'm going to scroll down to AR access control, and I'm going to click on the hyperlink configure. Okay, perfect. And here on access type, I'm going to, for each company, click on the downward arrow and select all, right? And do the same for the second company, select all, and I'm going to click on the save icon. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm just going to do this just to activate the save icon. And I'm going to click save again, and I'm going to close this program. Close this one as well for intercompany group payments. If you have reached to this point of our tutorial, it must mean that you enjoy our tutorials and you might not want to miss out on any of our uploads. Please make sure that you are subscribed. 80% of our viewers are not subscribed yet, so I'm going to give you a moment to subscribe. Now let's continue with the tutorial. Let's say both companies make use of the South African rand. However, they have been configured differently in the two companies. So in company one, it has been configured as SAR, and in company two, it has been configured as ZAR. So we're going to create a currency cross-reference for intercompany group payments so that SYSPRO knows which currency in company two matches with the one in the first company. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable. Then we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to look for Intercompany Currency Cross-Reference, and we're going to click there. Okay. So as you can see, we have company one currency. So company one, which is AG1, we're going to select it there. And for currency, we're going to again scroll for the currency. So we're going to select SAR and we're going to double click there. Then for company two, we're going to select the company, click select, and then the currency we are cross-referencing, ZAR, double click, and we're going to click on add to list. Okay, then we're going to click on the save icon. Then we're going to close the program. And that is how you cross-reference currencies. For this example, let's just say the head office of the customer is listed in the first company, AG1, and the other branches are listed in AG2, which is the second company. What we are now going to do is create an intercompany customer group for Bike World. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable. Then we're going to go to Setup, not Browse, not Reports, but Setup. There we go. And we're going to go to AR Group Customers. Okay. And on Primary Customer, we're going to enter the head office listed under AG1. So we're going to tap off. And here we're going to select the company, which is the second company. AG2, this branch is listed under AG2, so this is the customer code we're going to enter of that branch. We're going to tap off. Then second line, we're going to do the same. AG2, select, tap off to enter the customer code. And we're going to tap off again. Then we're going to click on the save icon, and we're going to close this program. And that is how you add a customer group for intercompany group payments. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.